Hello and welcome back. If your apps are crashing on your Android device after an update and you are looking out how to fix those issues, today we are going to guide you through some steps to do so. So let's get started. So let's start by a very simple method, which is restarting our phone. Hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option on your screen or the power off and turn your phone back on and then see if that fixes the temporary glitches such as app crashing. Also, clear the app's cache. So you can just go over and find the application that is crashing. For example, TikTok, hold it up, and you can go to the info section at the top. And once you are here, you can go over to the storage section of the following app that is crashing. And within there, look out for the clear cache option and tap on it, or clear the data if there is excessive data that can also cause crashes. You can just go over and do so and relog it into the application and use it. Apart from that, you can check for app updates. Ensure the problematic app is up to date. For that, you need to head over to your Play Store or any other app store that is available and you need to update the application. So go to search for that, and for example, TikTok itself or any other application, find it up and tap on it. And if you are finding an update option, just tap on update and install them. That should also fix the issue that may be happening. If that does not work, uninstalling and reinstalling the application can also fix issues caused by the corrupt installation. So for that, hold the application that is having the issue and look out for the uninstall option and tap on it. Confirm it up. After that is done, you can restart your phone and reinstall the app from your Google Play Store. And also just go over and update your system components. For that, go to your settings and also go to your software update section and tap on it and update the software to the latest version. That should also fix the issue because apps can crash due to the issues with the system level components. And also, you need to have enough storage so that you can just go and use the applications, because not having enough storage can cause the applications to crash. You can try deleting the old files or apps to free up space. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up to fix that issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.